So I'm like this because the sun is here. Oh, by the way, Salam Bajamrik. So we're here today. We finished the bricks, and then we're putting sand over it.
So yeah.
It can
Oh.
close the gap.
Yeah,
So it closes the gaps,
we're putting the sand inside the inside the cracks so we can fill in the gap so it doesn't look ane. You know what I mean? So that's why we are doing we're using sapu and we are sweep kemana-mana. Okay guys, so lagi di sini. This is what the cracks look like. It's apa tuh? It's the lubang is very big and my mom doesn't like the big cracks, so dia mau di apa tuh? Di seal sama what is it? Seal.
So if you're wondering why this is here, it's because like all of the rain, like when it comes, it comes through here and then it goes down that pipe. We're not finished with this yet, but we're gonna finish the pipe. We're gonna move it like out of the fence so the water can drain all over there. Yeah, and I'm here today with my fellow sister and of course my brother, as you already know that. So yeah, hope you enjoy.
Selesai nih. We are very close to finishing this, and so after that we are going to tukang di dalam garasi. Kita lagi tukang di situ juga. So we already did di sini. This is
we finished this.
the third project. That one di sini is our first. No, this is our first project di sini. Second project di situ.
Third project over
here.
This one.
Fourth project, and then the fifth one di sini. So this one, that one, kita udah selesai. So sekarang kita mau
Oh, and then that one, the plant.
yeah. So sekarang kita mau tukang di dalam.
In our garage. Yeah.
So kita ada living room untuk bermana guests that come over.
No, this is where when the guests are coming over. Inside, we're gonna make a bathroom because, as you know, we have 7 people in our family. Mom, dad, oldest brother, second oldest brother, my sister, me, Busty and me. So we're gonna make a bathroom for my 2 older brothers inside there, and then
Yeah, so that's gonna probably be a bathroom, living room, maybe, kita nggak tahu. But in the end, we are almost finished with our project. Berapa episodes kita dapat begini kan? We are almost finished. So hopefully you guys stay until the end result. Don't forget to like, share, and comment so you guys don't miss out on yang video beginian. And I will see you guys.
Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.
What is this sand? Beach sand?
It's patio sand.
Beach sand. It's come from beach, right?
Yeah.
It's beach sand?
Yes. Yes, it is beach sand.
Here, can you move this?
What? This place is
if you do it.